Hello everyone. I'm going to show you a great trick to turn a broken electrical appliance into a compact and useful kitchen tool. I found this old broken electric kettle in my scrap bin. Let's see if we can salvage it and turn it into something useful. I'm bringing it to my workbench. As you can see, the kettle doesn't fit the base for heating, it can't be used anymore, but I have a way to recycle it. I'm taking a small metal cup to use as a guide. I'll draw a line all the way around the lower section of the kettle, and then mark lines down the handle. This will be my cutting guide. Now, I'm carefully using an angle grinder to cut along those lines. I'm taking my time to ensure a relatively straight cut through the metal. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Once the cut is complete, I can separate the top half from the bottom. We won't be needing the top part anymore. Next, I'm using some sandpaper to thoroughly sand down the cut edges of the metal. This is a crucial step to remove any sharp burrs and make it safe to handle. Now I need to access the electronics. I'm unscrewing the bottom plastic cover of the base to get to the heating element connections. I'm going to remove the old complicated wiring from the central connector. We'll bypass this old connection system and wire directly. The original wires are a bit thin, so I'm using a utility knife to carefully remove them. I want to install a much more robust and secure power cord. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To fit the new, thicker power cord, I'm using a soldering iron to melt a larger hole in the plastic base cover. Then, I'll use a utility knife to clean up the edges for a neat finish. Here's the new heavy-duty power cord. I'm stripping the ends of the wires to expose the copper, getting them ready to be attached to the heating element. It's extremely important to slide heat shrink tubing over the connections and shrink it with a lighter. I'm crimping new terminals onto the wires and attaching them securely to the heating element pins. This ensures everything is properly insulated and safe to use. Now I can reassemble the base. I thread the new cord through the enlarged hole and screw the plastic cover tightly back onto the metal housing. Our mini boiler is assembled. I'm filling it up with some water and plugging it into my power strip to test it out. To really put it to the test, I'm dropping in 3 raw eggs. I'll press the switch and look at that. The water comes to a rapid boil very quickly. The heating element is working perfectly in its new compact form. After a few minutes, I turn it off and take an egg out to check. Let's peel it. Perfect. A flawlessly hard-boiled egg. We've successfully turned trash into a fantastic mini egg cooker and water boiler. If you enjoyed this upcycling project, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative DIYs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.